Enchantment with Kathy by Design, and I'm excited this morning because I'm rolling out the holiday season with a brand new Christmas card kit from Button Farm Club. This is the Rejoice Christmas card kit, and really it's more than a card kit. This thing is loaded. I've got something for everybody here. So for starters, you'll make this super festive Merry Christmas Tree Shaker card, and inside there's a gift card pocket, so you can turn this into a gift, and it's also great for home decor. Then we've got not one, not two, not three, but 4 pop-up gift card holders. Look how fun these are. Pop! The little gift card holder is attached to the pop-up mechanism. You tuck your gift card or your monetary gift in there, tuck in a little note, and you've got a super cute gift. So there's a vintage one, there's one for dog lovers, there's one for the kitty cat lovers out there, and there's just a wonderful masculine with an old pickup truck. Fantastic, so fun. Then, if you want a little home decor, we learned how to make this really gorgeous pop-up easel card, Home for Christmas, with these adorable lovebirds. Aren't they just too sweet? And then a little precious little pocket card. This is tiny, but it is loaded, and it opens out like a gatefold, and it's got 2 pockets. One for your sentiment, one for a gift card or monetary gift. You could put movie tickets, you could put all kinds of things in there. And if that's not enough, the pièce de résistance is this wonderful 5x5 photo folio. This is Jolly Santa, and it's super dimensional, super vintage, and it is loaded with fun, interactive features where you can just store photos, you can add pictures, you can do journaling. There are pull-ups and pull-downs and pockets and hidden pockets, and a wonderful little gatefold folio over here that opens out like this for more photos. You can totally catch all the pictures from your Christmas party or Christmas day in here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 phenomenal projects. You get everything you need to make all of these that you see here: the flowers, the shaker elements, the sequins, the ribbon, a whole spool of this gold metallic thread, these super adorable wooden icons. I'm probably forgetting some stuff. It is a loaded kit. The only thing you need to add is your own ink, your own adhesive, and your own basic crafting tools. You'll get a full color printed step-by-step tutorial, and then you'll have the techniques to make all of these projects. You can translate it into other themes, other seasons, and you're just adding a whole lot to your crafty toolbox. So you can get this exclusively at the Button Farm Club. It is a very limited release, so if you are interested, you'd better hop on it. I expect it to sell out quickly. But that's what I've been up to. I had to share it with you, and let's get this season rolling with some really fun creativity. Thanks for joining me. I'll put the link where you can order the kit below, and let's get our Christmas craft on. Bye.